What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Tulip Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing yet another Jiffy cornbread recipe. Now this recipe is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be doing sort of a brunch recipe. We're going to be doing chicken and waffles. Now I got a waffle maker over Christmas. One of my bestest friends in the world got me one, and I was so excited to get it, but I didn't get a chance to use it yet. So I decided to make some chicken and waffles. But I decided, why not use some Jiffy? So let's make it. For this recipe, we're going to need salt, black pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and also some Cajun seasoning. I like to use the spice blend for any sort of basic fried chicken recipe. So that can be chicken tenders, chicken nuggets. Honestly, you could even use it for fried fish too if you'd like. Now let's go ahead and season our flour with a little bit of Cajun seasoning as well as some garlic powder. We're going to start to prepare our chicken tenders to be breaded. We're going to put it in our flour first. Make sure you shake off the excess. Now we're going to go ahead and move over to our eggs. Now, once you start to get used to doing it, you'll just basically start to develop your own little method. But for this, I'm using flour, eggs, flour, but you could use flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, or flour, eggs, even cornmeal if you'd like. Again, be sure to knock off and shake off all the excess flour. You don't want all the extra stuff in your oil. Alright, I got my vegetable oil nice and hot. As you can see, I tested it a little bit before I dropped them in. And I just, try to find a space for your last one. But, if you're making more, just make sure you use a pot that's the size for the amount of chicken tenders you have. Alright, once they're golden brown, you can go ahead and remove them from the vegetable oil. I like to use the paper towel in a bowl method, that's nice and old-fashioned, but if you have like a cooling rack or something, that'll work. Alright, remember guys, food safety is key. You want to always make sure you're temping your chicken, always. This is the temperature I got fresh out the hot oil. For our waffle mix, we're going to use 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix. Make sure you get out any lumps if you do have any. We're going to use 2/3 cups of heavy cream, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of salted butter, and also 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Go ahead and spray with your waffle machine down with any sort of non-stick spray you have. I'm using a butter spray. Go ahead and just put that in there. You can use any sort of waffle maker. Don't be pressed to use the waffle maker I'm using, guys. Boom. And just make sure it's nice and golden brown like your waffle maker's instruction says to make them. And we're going to go ahead and move it over. Now, I'm going to list the recipe below for my spicy maple syrup because I don't really want to make a recipe for that just yet. But I really hope you guys enjoy. It's a quick and simple recipe and a nice dope hack you can do with Jiffy cornbread.